Are you looking for physical therapy or occupational therapy services? Then welcome to Hands-On Therapy Services. My name is Huang. Let me tell you a little bit about who we help here. We help people 40 years and older to be able to stay more active, pain-free, avoid things like pills, injections, and surgeries, and we especially specialize in helping people with arm and hand injuries. So, welcome to our website, and I'm just going to explain a little bit about what you can get out of our website that's going to benefit you the most. So one of the reasons why we do what we do is that we understand that there's so many therapy clinics all over Miami, and you have an option to go wherever you feel most comfortable and trust, right? So we've got some free guides available to you on the website, and just look for them. They're little booklets underneath that you can grab that's going to give you some tips and advice on what to do if you've got shoulder problems, if you've got elbow problems, hand problems, and even carpal tunnel ebook, which is even more expansive and talks a lot about what you can do and a lot of things about what not to do as well. And if you've had surgery, we've got something specially written for you as well. So one of the reasons why we do what we do is because we understand that you have a lot of choices and it's hard to know where to go and who to trust. So this is one of the reasons why we provide not only the free guides and information that you can take, but we understand that you're in different parts of your journey. So maybe you just have questions right now and you just want to be able to grab that information, and that's fine. That's why they're there for you, and you can freely grab what you need. And then we understand that you might be a little bit more ready to get the kind of help that you need because you don't want to keep waiting anymore. And we have on the website ways that you can ask about availability and cost. And the most important two options for you is to, if you would like, you can request to speak to one of our specialists. And so before even coming in or anything like that, you can request to speak to us first and see how we can answer some of your questions, your doubts, your concerns. We want to be able to address those for you first. And then once you are a little bit more ready and you know that this is something that you need, this is something that you want, then you can apply for our free discovery visit as well. And it's an opportunity for you to come in, talk to us a little bit more. There's a free screening that's involved so we can best describe how we can help you. So I just wanted to let you know that there are different options in which you could work with us, and you can take whatever free information you need, or you can always give us a call.